Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add subtitles in YouTube Studio in 2026. So if you want better accessibility, more watch time, and viewers from different countries, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, open YouTube Studio and sign into your channel. So this is where you manage your videos and subtitle settings. Next, go to the content section and choose the video where you want to add subtitles. I mean, you can edit subtitles for both old and new videos. So yeah, click the Subtitles tab from the left menu. This is where you can manage captions and translations. Now choose your subtitle language. For example, English, Bengali, Hindi, or any language your audience understands. So yeah, you can use automatic captions or upload your own subtitle file like SRT format. Manual subtitles are usually more accurate. Next, adjust the timing so subtitles match your voice correctly. Accurate timing improves viewer experience. So yeah, review all subtitles carefully. Fixing spelling mistakes and wrong words makes your video look professional. Now click publish once everything looks correct, so your subtitles will become visible to viewers immediately. Finally, add subtitles in multiple languages if possible. This can help your videos reach international audiences. And that's how to add subtitles in YouTube Studio in 2026. Once you use captions properly, your videos become more accessible, professional, and easier to understand. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more YouTube tutorials.